American Lingo in Lights. Dive into movies and music. Hey there, learners! Today, we're diving into a fun topic: American slang and colloquialisms. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these informal phrases better but also know how to practice with some authentic materials like movies, TV shows, and music. Ready to sound more native? Let's jump right in. Slang and colloquial expressions are those informal words and phrases that aren't always taught in the classroom. However, they are a crucial part of everyday conversations among native speakers. Understanding these phrases can help you: 1. Fit into conversations more naturally. 2. Grasp the context and nuances of what's being said. 3. Enhance your overall listening comprehension. Using movies, TV shows, and music to learn slang is not only fun but also very effective. Here's how you can make the most of it. 1. Pick your genre wisely. A teen drama or sitcom might have more slang than a period drama or news program. 2. Use subtitles. Turn on English subtitles. This way, you can read what's being said, making it easier to catch and understand slang. 3. Pause and replay. Whenever you hear a word or phrase you don't understand, pause and replay it. Context is crucial. 4. Note it down. Keep a slang journal. Jot down new words or phrases, their meanings, and the context in which they were used. 5. Practice using them. Try to incorporate these new words into your conversations, so they become a natural part of your vocabulary. To get you started, here's a quick list of some commonly heard slang terms. 1. Chill out, relax or calm down. 2. Binge watch, to watch multiple episodes of a TV show in one go. 3. No-brainer, something that's obvious or easy to decide. 4. Shade, disrespecting someone subtly or indirectly. 5. On point, perfect, especially in terms of appearance or performance. Remember, these words might mean something different depending on the context. Always pay attention to how they're used in sentences. Lastly, it's not just about learning the words. Engaging with American culture helps. 1. Build context. Understanding cultural references helps in understanding the slang used in that context. 2. Develop an ear. The more you listen, the better you'll get at catching those quick slang phrases. 3. Appreciate the art. Music, movies, and TV shows are not just learning tools. They're also a chance to appreciate American art and storytelling. Thanks for joining us on this slang-tastic journey. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about understanding and being a part of conversations. Keep practicing with those movies and songs, and soon you'll be using slang like a native. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.